What if you could start your day feeling energized and focused with gentle seated stretches you could do in a chair? Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS, and welcome to our 14-day Chair Yoga Challenge. If you're new here, this is a simple, safe program designed especially for those with stiff joints, limited mobility, or anyone who wants to feel more ease in their body without having to get down on the floor. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this energizing routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a cat-cow stretch with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, gently arch your back, lifting through your chest, looking slightly up. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest and your navel back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving your spine like a wave, stretching your spinal muscles along your back, your chest and front of your shoulders as you open, and the back of your neck and upper back as you round. Release and return to center. Bring your fingertips to your shoulders or as close as comfortable. Begin to draw small circles with your elbows, like you're tracing circles in the air, drawing your elbows forward, up, and around, letting the circles be as big or small as it feels good. Continue breathing deeply as you switch directions, moving at your own pace, gradually increasing your range of motion, creating more mobility and flexibility through your arms, shoulders, chest, and upper back. Pause with your elbows wide and begin to lift your elbows up and lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Continue with this movement, noticing how your exhalations begin to ease away any tension. Adding a cat-cow stretch. Inhale with your elbows wide, gently arching your back, lifting through your chest. Exhale, draw your elbows forward, rounding your spine, lightly drawing your navel back with your chin towards your chest. Continue moving at your own pace, with each inhale gently opening and lengthening, and with each exhale, rounding and softening, allowing your breath to be like a slow wave moving through your spine. Release and return to center. Raise your arms out to your side shoulder height for cactus arms. On your inhale, squeeze your shoulder blades together with your arms shoulder height. Exhale, bring your forearms and palms to or towards each other out in front of your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, improving posture, stretching across your chest while strengthening through your upper back, increasing shoulder mobility while expanding your breath. Adding on, moving into an eagle pose variation. Scoop your right arm under your left with the backs of your hands facing each other, or if space allows, hands to press, fingertips point to the sky. When you're ready, cross your right leg over your left, squeezing your thigh bones together as you continue to lift your ribs up and out of your waist, sending your arm bones forward and up, feeling a gentle stretch through your shoulders, upper back, and outer hips. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat this pose on the opposite side. Scoop your left arm under your right with the backs of your hands facing each other, or if space allows, hands to press, fingertips point to the sky. When you're ready, cross your left leg over your right, squeezing your thigh bones together, keeping your spine vertical and the back of your neck long, lightly lifting through your lower belly. Feeling this action awaken your center. Stay connected to your breath as you unwind and return to center, moving into shoulder rolls. Inhale, lift your shoulders up. Exhale, roll them back and down. Continue flowing with this movement, releasing any tension through your neck, shoulders, and upper back. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions. Release and return to center, sitting tall. Clasp your hands beneath your right leg. Begin to extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Continue with this movement, making it as big or small as comfortable, increasing circulation through your lower body, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles while creating more mobility in your joints. Pause with your right leg extended. Begin to point through your toes and flex through your heel, waking up the energy through your toes, the top of your foot, sole, and ankle. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your left leg. When you're ready, begin to gently extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Continue moving at your own pace, making this movement as big or as small as comfortable, gradually increasing your range of motion. Pause and hold with your left leg extended. Begin to point through your toes and flex through your heel, waking up the energy through your toes, the top of your foot, sole, and ankle. Release and set your left foot to the earth, moving into a cat-cow stretch. With an inhale, sweep your arms open, lifting through your heart, and on your exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, drawing your navel back and your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement, moving at your own pace, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, arms, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center. Place your hands together in prayer position. Begin to gently glide your elbows from right to left, working to keep the bases of your hands together, your elbows lifting and your fingertips pointing to the sky, feeling a gentle stretch through your wrists, hands, and forearms. Adding on, pause at center with your hands in prayer position. Rotate your fingertips forward, keeping the bases of your hands pressing. Maintain the press of your hands as you rotate your fingertips inward. Interlace your fingers and press your palms away. Gently reach your arms overhead, keeping your shoulders relaxed, and return to prayer position. Gently press your palms together. Continue pressing as you rotate your fingertips forward. Rotate your fingertips inward towards your chest. Interlace your fingers and press your palms away. Gently reach your arms overhead and return to prayer position. Continue for a few more rounds on your own, moving at your own pace, creating more mobility and flexibility through your wrists, hands, arms, and fingers. Repeating once more, press your palms together. Rotate your fingertips forward, maintaining the press of your hands. Rotate your fingertips inward towards your chest. Interlace your fingers and press your palms away. Reach your arms overhead. Release your clasp and make a light fist. Gently circle down, bending at your wrists. Continue for a few more rounds. With each inhale, reach your arms overhead. Make a light fist. And on your exhale, gently circle down, bending at your wrists, creating more space and ease through your arms, shoulders, wrists, and hands. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Maybe you're sitting a little taller, feeling a little more refreshed and more energized for your day. If you're loving this challenge and want the full program organized and easy to follow, head on over to Happy Yoga On Demand, where we have this series plus hundreds of episodes for every level, and you can cancel anytime. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.